Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys.
In Spark City, the Festival of Lights was the yearly pinnacle of joy, lighting up every corner and landmark.
Patience, flair. True heroism is often about the waiting. But tonight, the waiting was over, and the chaos had arrived all at once.
Multiple targets. Team, listen up. Coordinated attack is vital. Steam, flash, harmony bridge. Contain the spread, minimal damage.
And me, Blaze? Oh, I'll take Skyspire. I can handle the height.
Flare, wait! We need to form a plan.
These fires were unlike any the team had fought before. They shimmered with unstable energy. These fires were unlike any the team had fought before. They shimmered with unstable energy.
All right, Skyspire. Time to see what this engine can really do.
That shouldn't do that.
Blaze! I'm stuck! The heat! It's too much!
I knew she rushed it. Flare's in a jam. Steam, flash, change of plans. Pressure diverted, Blaze. Sending maximum flow now. Don't worry, Flare. Flash is on the way. Let's get that chrome polished again.
Teamwork, not speed, proved to be Flare's salvation.
That was reckless, Flare. We always move together. Now, stay here. I'm finding the source.
The strange fires led Blaze into the hidden labyrinth of Spark City's infrastructure.
Notice me.
Stop, little one. Why are you doing this?
Nobody ever sees the maintenance bots. Only the big lights. Only the destruction.
I know what it's like to feel overlooked, Sparks. But burning bright isn't the same as burning out.
I didn't mean to hurt the city. I just wanted a purpose.
Harmony Bridge secured! Skyspire contained! Looks like the party's back on!
Blaze? Who is the little guy?
This is Sparks. He reminds us, Flare, that rushing isn't rescue. Understanding the cause is.
Sparks, I'm sorry you felt unseen. I want to prove myself, but I need to learn to slow down.
Well, Sparks, you've certainly fixed that wobble. Welcome aboard, Chief Maintenance Officer.
I can optimize the hydraulic pressure modulator. Prevent future jamming.
See, Steam? Even water tankers can have a sense of humor.
The greatest missions are not solved by the biggest engine, but by the strength of every single member.
Sparks found that real recognition came not from fire, but from the steady glow of shared responsibility.
You've learned the difference between shining bright and shining together, Flare.
And in Spark City, the Blaze team stood ready, proving that guided by friendship,